Hi, this is Paulo with the AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your subdomain, API key and hash key for Sendlane and how to integrate it to your AEvent account. To start, please log in to your Sendlane account. From the main page, click on the gear icon to access your account, then click on API. You'll be able to see your subdomain, API key, and hash key from here. Please save it somewhere you can easily access like Google Sheets or Notepad. Once you have these information handy, we can now proceed integrating Sendlane to our AEvent account. Let's log into AEvent. Let's go to Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Look for Sendlane by typing it in the search box. From here you can see all the timeline actions you can create with this integration. For now, let's click on Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. Here, I'm typing Sendlane1. Click Connect. You will now be prompted for your subdomain API key and hash key. Once you have these information entered, click Continue. We have successfully added Sendlane to our integrations. Now let's test it. Go back to the integrations page. Look for Sendlane now. Click Test. We have successfully established a connection between Sendlane and AEvent. That would be all for this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.